Okay, transmission line came in for the Toyota. I gotta go pick up some high pressure transmission hose or power steering hose, same difference. I'm gonna replace them both. Sometimes they come with the hose at the end, sometimes they don't. But I'm gonna teach you guys my trick to make parts last forever. What I like to do when I get a new part, a steel part that's prone to rotting, and the reason I'm replacing it is because it rotted out, I like to coat them with something. And for exhaust, I use grill paint. And for this guy, I'm going to use this Never Wet stuff. And I am not sponsored by, nor do I necessarily endorse any of these products. But basically putting anything on steel that's not going to make it corrode will help prevent it. So I'll show you how we get set up and we'll go from there. Okay, the first steps I'm taking in the process of this job are masking off the ends of the transmission line, because I don't know if this Never Wet crap inside a transmission would cause harm, but I got a funny feeling it would. And I got a coat hanger hooked to here, and what I did is I nipped it on one end and I left the hanger part right on there. And then basically what you do is squirt it up with whatever you're going to squirt it up with. In this case, it's a two-part system. You got a primer and then you got the treatment. And otherwise, you can prime it and paint it, or just slap some paint on it. I don't recommend just using primer, because primed stuff likes to rust when it's just primed. But that's basically it. We're going to go ahead and get this guy all squirted up, and I'll leave it with that. And go to John 3:16 and read.